Yes lads, right, another shipment of Becauseracecarbox has arrived, so we're going to dig straight into this one. Right, just 1 minute, let's spin it. I'm on bed this time. I've got no old men come knocking on my window. Right, let's see what we got here. We'll start off with this as usual. Just 1 minute, let me go and open window because there's hardly any light here. Yeah, that's a bit better. Right, we got a, oh, that is a Corn's egg Aguero. Nice. Right, here we go. Oh Jesus, what the hell is this? Cartet refinish. Is this just a microfiber or something? Ultra soft microfiber cloth. Cool. We got some gloves as usual. Health and safety. Oh Jesus. Sure. That is a freshener. We got another air freshener. Next one. Shampoo, Dop Soap. Next one is anti-static interior detailer. I wonder what this is about. And we got some glass cleaner. Let's see if it'll be as good as the other one I got. Right, so yeah, this is what we got. Interior detailer, glass cleaner, some more shampoo, big bottle of air freshener, microfiber, and another air freshener. Sick. Alright, cheers guys. See ya.